Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that 5 button, turn notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Today we're gonna make cloud dough.
Cloud dough.
Look right down there.
Okay, right down there.
That's the things we need to make cloud dough.
Yeah.
Yeah! Get started! The ingredient you need: corn flour, conditioner, colouring and foams. We're gonna put the conditioner. Turn it around. First, we're gonna put the conditioner right there. What Millie's holding. We're gonna put that in first, and then the colouring. Okay, guys? You know that. And then we're gonna stir it. Okay, guys? First, we need a bowl if we're gonna stir that. We're gonna put conditioner in. Now I know my one, guys.
That felt like that. Like still.
We're gonna add the colours. We're gonna stir it.
Still it.
Put the colour in. Now you give it a good stir.
And we got coloring a gas stove.
Be like this. Keep moving yours, Millie. Now we're gonna add the corn flour.
Corn flour.
Okay, that's so looking good. Touch it. Shall I stir it now?
Here my stir.
Everywhere. Don't stir it yet. Just maybe. Really good stir. Do you know why you have to give it a good stir? Because it will go really rainbow. Did you know that, guys? No, you didn't know, guys. See, you keep adding corn flour and you mix it. Eventually it will be like dough. Get your hands in there and push them.
And then I push them.
Do that one. Guys, look, it's gone all soft, this one.